Let's get this peanut butter on there. It's a good way to start the show. Take the shirt off. I got a lot of peanut butter, different kinds. You never know which one's gonna apply best, so you want to have versatility. We got natural, good for you. I think the OG, off-brand, usually real good, So I guess let's get started here. We got these gloves. You never want to, put treatment on your hair without any gloves. Hair is bad for you. Also, so I can have peanut butter after this. Alright. I'm not sure which one to start with. Drink first. Okay. Yeah, we'll just go all natural first, Why not open them all? That would make sense. Work smarter, not harder, Christian. A lot of fucking peanut butter. Sure does smell good though. Alright. Natural peanut butter. Don't you worry. I got my applicators. I don't know. Yeah. Now you don't wanna go straight for it, you wanna start from the mids and go to the ends, you never wanna start on the roots. Or it's Brad Mondo's head or something like that. Put that on there. Yeah. Yeah. This is the natural peanut butter. It's real smooth right now. All creamy. I didn't do no chunks. I don't like chunks. There. Start right there. Right in the middle. And I like the natural. It's got a good feel to it. I'll start a unicorn first. Alright. I'm done with the natural. I'm gonna try some more first. Alright, we're going off brand. Yeah. Oh yeah. Off brand's good. It's look at it. It's going on pretty smooth. Next. Skippy. Yeah, damn Skippy. You just want to lather it on there, Get a good bit on there. Leave no room for the imagination. Make sure you get every strand. Oh, you want Big Jiffy? I'll give you Jiff. Big Jiff. Oh, yeah. That's the good stuff. Real smooth, It's real great on my head. Really makes the hair feel good. It's really just a deep condition. Feels good. Looks good. Is good. What do I got left? Peter Pan. Oh yeah, I'm going to Wonderland now. Oh yeah. Really get that in there. I think we need more peanut butter. I'm just gonna dip in all of them. Mix this shit up. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is the way to go. This is how it's done. The more the merrier, right? It's like, sure some hippie chick does this for some reason. I don't know, I can't think of one. Maybe it's, I don't know, all natural oils, I guess. I don't fucking know. Ow! There was a hair in the peanut butter. I wonder how that happened. More. I got a big dog. But he'll probably bite my head. He's an idiot. Mayonnaise. I don't know if that'll set right. I could try some mayonnaise. I don't think I have mayonnaise. Not really something I think about. Yeah, we need the mohawk in here. Check it out. Mmm. You know, you gotta style it with your brush. If you don't style it, you ain't jiffing right. I got 5 jars of peanut butter. I just been grabbing. I was gonna do individual, but you know they all film the same, so whichever one's cheapest, I guess, is the one you should use for your application of the peanut butter. I need more peanut butter. I think I'll just keep adding peanut butter. I don't need to let it dry. Just, you know, really lather this shit on there. And if you're asking why, it's because of the, you know, one of them comment and like things. They did it. I mean, I would have done it without the likes. Because, well, I got nothing else going on. Wow, that's a lot of peanut butter. Oh, you want eyebrows? I'll use Skippy for the eyebrows. You know, I need to get that peanut butter off there. Yeah. I use the brush. Eyebrows, you know? Yeah. Really get them on there, you know? Yeah, this is art. I am an artiste, and I am making art. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Right there on the eyebrows. Really sink in the natural oils. Fuck. And dripped peanut butter. Yeah. More. We need more. Skippy. Because you're damn Skippy. I think I need to focus on the back of my head. I don't really do nothing in the back. You know. Yeah. Yeah, that's good stuff. Dig it in the peanut butter. Peanut butter. Hey, if I'm bald, I'm bald. It is what it is. You know, I could use this. You know, make it look like a bald cap. Yeah. It's dripping down my back. You know, a lot of peanut butter over here. Peanut butter. It should grow back. Unless if, you know, peanut butter burns it off, then it's just gonna be a penis head for life. I'm fine with this. I don't want crunchy. I can't bring myself to buy crunchy peanut butter. You know what? I think we need to do a face mask. That's what we need to do. Change these gloves out. Tastes good. Probably shouldn't taste your hair applicator, but it's good. I got more gloves. Don't you worry. I am protected by my gloves. I got peanut butter on my eyelash now. Let's see. Oh, that's the wrong hole. That's what she said. Anyway, now it's time for the face. Get some jelly. Yeah. Gonna mush this one together. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's real cooling effect, you know? It's like minty. But it's, you know, jelly. So yeah. I'm basically putting wine on my face. How about that? We'll go with that. Jelly up in this bitch. Make it look good. Yeah. Styling and profiling up in this bitch. I need more jelly. I was clean about this, but it's not clean no more. Now it's just everywhere. Good thing I took my shirt off. Yeah, you don't want to lather it on there. Get it in your pores, you know? Really let that skin soak this shit up. Alright. Mohawk. It ain't working. No mohawk for me. Maybe more peanut butter. Peanut butter, bitch. Peanut butter, bitch. Oh, wait. Yep. There we go. That'll do it. Alrighty. There it is. Fucking peanut butter and jelly all over the place. I'm glad I went into my bathroom. But there's no carpet in this bitch. Alright. Of course, you can't have a sandwich without the bread. Need the bread. So, and 2 bread. I think we need more bread. Call me an idiot sandwich, bitch. It's peanut butter jelly time. When you let it soak, you know, you really let it sit, get in the pores, get in the hair, and, you know, it's gonna be smooth. Smooth applicator. I'm covered in peanut butter. I am a snack. I'm a whole goddamn meal right here. What's up? I don't know how I have a girlfriend. Probably because I'm fucking awesome. What else? Well, first things first. What am I missing here? Yeah, I think I've covered it, man. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I do a lot of things, and this is something I do. I love. I haven't had a PB&J sandwich in years, so I kind of forgot how to make it. So I just decided to make it on my own head, because that's how people do this. I've got myself in a sticky situation, and my floor is paid for it too. You know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna put more peanut butter on. When in doubt, peanut butter it out. Know what I mean? Wow, that's delicious. Mmm. Anyway, not the point. The point is more peanut butter. Hey Google, play Peanut Butter Jelly Time.
Okay, Peanut Butter Jelly Time by Kids Tunes. Here it is on YouTube Music.
Stay on,
Peanut
Brett.
butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Now there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Do the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Now where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Now there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Do the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Now break it down and freeze. Break it down and freeze. Now break it down and freeze. Now break it down and freeze. Now where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Now there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Do the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Now tit tat toe. Tit tat toe. Let's go. Tit tat toe. You got it. Tit tat toe. Let's ride. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Now there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Do the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Do the peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Now freestyle. 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 Freestyle your style. Freestyle. 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 Freestyle your style. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
Hey, Google.
Where you at? Now
Shut up.
there you go. There you go. There you go.
This has been a delicious and wonderful experience. But I'm gonna go clean myself. It was fun having you.